A resource management software helps teams and organizations plan, allocate, and track the use of their resources, like people, time, equipment, and space, so projects run smoothly and efficiently. And if we name the best resource management software out there, Resource Guru will be at the top for sure. Resource Guru offers a unified real-time view of every team member's workload, automatically flags overbooking, and syncs easily with your existing calendars. So today, we're diving deep into Resource Guru to uncover the features that make it our go-to solution for stress-free project planning. As soon as you log into Resource Guru, the layout feels intuitive. Across the left, there is a navigation bar that anchors the entire experience. You'll see tabs from Schedule to Reports, all the core areas you'll use daily. The account settings sit neatly in the bottom left corner, so you're never more than a click away from key preferences. For onboarding, Resource Guru includes a built-in Quick Start walkthrough. It walks you step by step through setting up your resources, adding team members, and scheduling your first bookings, which saves time and confusion. One standout element is the dashboard view. Unlike standard calendar tools that only show full month views, this one displays your schedule in weekly blocks. That way, you can quickly spot availability and see who's booked across any given work week. The platform also supports two-way calendar sync with both Google Calendar and Microsoft Outlook. So when you update a booking in Resource Guru, it reflects in your external calendar, and vice versa. It all stays connected without any extra effort. So when you open up scheduling, the whole idea is to make it easy to manage your time without a ton of clicking around. You just pick the date, plug in what the job is, who it's for, how long it's going to take, and hit confirm. The part that really helps is how you can manage your availability. Maybe you don't want people seeing when you're off the clock. No problem, you can hide those times. Want folks to see when you're open? You can do that too. Or turn on the heat map. It's a visual tool that shows how booked up your calendar is. It comes with 3 modes. One shows everything you've scheduled, one just shows the billable hours, and another shows the time you still have free. And tagging? You can tag each booking by what it's for, client, project, or whatever. So later, you can filter it and stay on top of everything. Most of us don't love filling out timesheets, but Resource Guru makes it way less of a hassle. Instead of starting from 0, it brings in the hours you were scheduled to work and suggests them as your log. You can go through, tweak the time if something took longer or less, drop in a quick note, and choose whether that time was billable. It's straightforward and helps avoid mistakes, especially if you're bouncing between different clients or projects. Once you've filled it out, your manager can review and approve everything in one click. That part's quick too. No drawn-out admin work. What's great is that the whole thing feels like part of your normal workflow, not an extra step. So staying on top of your hours is just easier. Under the People and Resources tab, you start by adding everything that needs to be scheduled. This includes named team members, placeholders for roles you'll hire later, meeting rooms, equipment like vehicles, and more. Every person or resource has a detailed profile. For people, this includes contact info, skills, custom fields, and a clear overview of which projects and clients they're working with. That way, managers have all the details they need without having to dig. When you're dealing with a large team or just getting started, the bulk import tool saves a lot of time. It lets you upload your entire roster using a spreadsheet that's customized to match your account. What sets Resource Guru apart is its equal handling of both people and non-human assets. So if you need to check if a vehicle or a meeting room is free, it's just as smooth as checking someone's availability. Okay, so when you head over to Projects and Clients, it's pretty straightforward. The interface is clean and easy to work with. If you need to start a new project or client, just click New. Pick what you're setting up, add in the details, and that's it. You're ready to roll. You can assign a project manager, set how billing works, and even add custom fields to keep track of things like stages or priorities, depending on how you organize your workflow. Once you've got that all set up, the tool links any bookings directly to the project or client. That means you're always up to date on what's getting done, by who, and where time is being spent. And since everything lives in one spot, you're not jumping between tools or spreadsheets. It just makes staying organized and making decisions way easier. Resource Guru helps you understand your team's schedule with easy-to-read reports. You've got categories for people and resources, placeholders, projects, clients, and activity types. So whatever you're trying to find, it's easy to get to the right numbers. You can view everything by day or hour, and there are filters to narrow things down however you need, by role, team, or whatever custom fields you've set up. Let's say you want to know how many billable hours your team spent on a specific client last month. Just pick your filters, switch over to the Work tab, and you're good. Or if you're trying to track time off, like who's been on vacation or out sick, you can jump into downtime to get a full picture. And when it's time to share or save your report, exporting is simple. Just grab a CSV or Excel file, complete with all the raw data for whatever deeper dive you've got planned. Resource Guru brings clarity and efficiency to resource planning with its intuitive interface, robust scheduling heat maps, seamless timesheet integration, and comprehensive reporting. If you're serious about optimizing team workloads and keeping projects on track, give Resource Guru a try today. Your first 30 days are on them, risk-free. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.